Hello everybody, I'm Gary Britten and welcome to Britten Farms. Today on New Tool Tuesday, I would like to thank the sponsor of this video, LYCX, for their donation of the 21-in-1 bearing puller. It's going to be a great blessing to the farm, so let's go ahead and open this box up here. It does come in this nice case to store it in. You can put this on your truck, toolbox if you have one there, or if you have one on a flatbed like I do, it will store nicely in that. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's see if I can do it without knocking some of these tools out of here. Look at there, I was able to do it. As y'all can see, it does come with all of the accessories that you do need to pull a bearing with. I do believe that you can use this on vehicles as well. If y'all had seen our previous video where we burn up a bearing in our round baler, this tool would have been nice to remove that bearing. We did not have one at that time, so it was a little bit more difficult to remove that bearing. Afterwards, I did reach out to this company. They did provide this bearing puller set for us to use here on the farm. As many of y'all know, if y'all have a mechanic shop or if you work on the farm, you do have equipment and machinery that does have bearings in it. And then when those go out, it is a necessity to have the right tool to assist you in the repair. This tool is going to do just that. It's going to be a tremendous help around the farm when we do have to repair bearings in our equipment. I do have a couple of more bearings that I do have to replace in the baler. I do have those ordered. I will try to get a video of us repairing that. Once again, I want to thank them for sending this out. This is going to be real handy to the farm. I will leave a link in the description to where y'all can get one of these if y'all like. I will also add in some clips that has a little bit more in depth about the product, gives you a little bit more information on the product, and so we'll go to those clips now. I'd like to take this time to thank everybody for all of y'all's support. It truly means a lot to me. I want to thank y'all for liking, commenting, subscribing. It really helps us out on this channel. As y'all know, we are trying to hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So if y'all like this type of content and y'all hadn't already, please be a part of our journey and help us rescue these horses by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. Like I say, without you there is no rescue, and that's true. Without y'all I could not do this, and I truly am grateful for each and every one of y'all's support. It means more to me than y'all will ever know, and I can't thank y'all enough. So once again, I do want to thank y'all for your support. It truly is appreciated. They're calling for high temperatures again this week, up into hundreds for around where I'm at. If it's hot where y'all are at, please be careful. Drink plenty of water. Stay cool, take frequent breaks. Don't get overheated out there. Y'all take care of yourselves. So it looks like it's going to be the end of this video. And remember, can't even talk today. Remember, like I always say, saving one horse won't change the world, but it'll change the world for that one horse. Y'all have a good week. God bless and be safe.